Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Beauty Company. If you're watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Sanchari and today I am going to do yet another review video. I think I am the last person on this earth to do a review video on this particular product that I am about to show to you guys, because everyone has raved about this product, everyone has spoken their thoughts out, everyone has spoken all good things, but मैं पता नहीं मैं किस दुनिया की हूँ, कहाँ से आई हूँ, कौन सी एलियन हूँ, दैट आई एम ऑलवेज द लास्ट वन. But it's okay, it's fine, it's better late than never. So if you want to know which product we are reviewing today, then please keep on watching. Today the star of the show is none other than This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. I just love the packaging. It feels so luxe, it feels so elegant. I love such kind of thing which is very simple but very elegant. You feel stylish, you feel that you're carrying something very luxe, and yes, the packaging itself says everything. It comes in a nice matte black packaging with rose gold writings on the top. When you turn the back, you will find all the details mentioned. Each shade has been defined very well, and there is a complete ingredient list. It is not tested on animals. Each pan size is 0.8 grams and there are total of 15 shades. There is also a disclaimer or caution or warning, you can say, has been mentioned, and that is discontinue if signs of rash or irritation appear. And also there is a expiry over here and rest of the details made in Italy, and you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. The price tag is over here. So let me talk through how I placed my order, when did I receive, how was the shipping procedure and everything, whether it was smooth or not, and then we will move on to the actual look of this palette. When I was trying to place my order, I was trying to pay by credit card, but my credit card payment was declining. Every time I was trying to make the payment, it was declining. So immediately I got a call from their end, and the person in front was so professional. He immediately offered me another solution that I can make my payment through net banking, and he was ready to give the bank details, and he said that if you want to go ahead and make the payment through credit card, then please hold on for 5 to 10 minutes because there was some technical issues from their end. And I told that okay, fine, I'll wait for some time, and still if I'm not able to get through the payment, then I will call you and I will take the bank details. He was readily agreed and he wished me luck. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, I crossed my fingers and then I tried placing my order, and my order was successfully placed. Once my order was placed, I immediately received an confirmation email from their end. Also, they had mentioned that once my product will be shipped, they will be giving me the tracking details and they will be emailing me the same. So my order was placed on Friday, and Monday I received my tracking information, and the next day on Tuesday I received my order. Yes, my order was in my hands. When I received the package, I was very relaxed because I know the brand which cares about their customers so much. Obviously they will take every precaution. They provided me the best of the service they could, and I was happy about it. So once I opened my package, it was securely packed. It was not even moving. I was trying to shake it, it was not moving from inside. So you can imagine how securely they had packed this. And when I opened it, I fell in love. It was love at first sight. I have many palettes, but when I saw this, I was like, ये तो किसको भी पीछे छोड़ देगा. Because when you see this product, you can imagine how much of thought process must have gone into this to create one single palette. I can see that time, efforts, hard work, everything has been invested, and then you get this beautiful baby. Sorry, it was ulta. This baby. So once you open this, you will see the inner packaging is in conjunction with the outer packaging. They have maintained that harmony, and they have kept it very simple. So at the back also you will see the name of the palette and all other details. When you open this palette, it comes like this. You have got a nice mirror here. You can easily see your face, and these are the shades. It comes with a plastic sheet like this to protect your shadows from any kind of damage. You have your neutrals, you have your warm tones, cool tones, some colorfuls, and you can create your everyday look, your bold look, anything, whatever you have in mind, you can create. I think you can even do your entire face with this, because you have got some nice tones of bronzer, a blush. I think this will work as a nice blush, this board, and you have got a highlighter shade. This is all in one. You have got this nice black shade, which I'm very much interested to show you guys. See the pigmentation and see the intensity. How intense it is. Can you even imagine an Indian makeup artist, an Indian brand creating such a gorgeous black shade? मैंने जैकलिन हिल के ओरिजिनल पैलेट में भी ऐसा ब्लैक, इंटेंस ब्लैक नहीं देखा है. I have her palette. If you want, I can compare it. Just a moment. Let me bring that palette. Okay, so I am back with two palettes from Morphe, that is Jaclyn Hill and Morphe 35B, and I will swatch the black shade from this palette. See this one. So I'll swatch this. This black shade, and then the black shade, this one from Morphe. I'll use another finger. See this. Can you see the difference all by yourself? This black shade is so creamy, is so intense, so pigment. You can, once you touch it, you'll feel that it has got some quality. It's so smooth to touch. This black shade from Jaclyn Hill, though it feels intense, but once you apply it on your eyes, it does nothing, and also it feels chalky. This is so smooth to touch. This is really smooth to touch, and this feels very chalky and very powdery. And 35B का तो कुछ कहना ही नहीं है मुझे. I have never used that black shade from 35B and that Jaclyn Hill. This is the first time I swatched this shade, but the black shade from this, it's just out of this world. It's so mind blowing. I did my eye look with this black and I was very happy. This black had no fallout. Trust me, it did not have any fallout. Only this nude shade had some kickback on the pan, but that does not worry me, because if the shade has pigmentation in it, a little kickback is fine. You can manage it. Kickbacks to hota hai, and it is completely fine with me. It is travel friendly, easy to carry. You can create multiple looks using this palette. Now I shall show you the swatches of this palette. So let me pull my sleeves little up so that I can make some space. I'll swatch it here. So I'll be swatching highlight, nude, blow a kiss, bed of roses, and kamikaze. I don't know how you pronounce that. Kamikaze, kamikaze, I don't know. Highlight, nude, Blow a Kiss, Bed of Roses, and Kamikaze or Kamikaze, however you pronounce. Highlight, wow. Nude, nude actually shows on my hand. Blow a Kiss, Bed of Roses, Kamikaze. Oh my god, this shade, wow, this is so intense. And yes, this is a duochrome shade. It has got some purple inside, some pinks inside. This is a duochrome shade. See, watching the second row, we have the shade Workaholic, Bonfire, Pow Wow, Cast a Spell, and Hoo Ha. Nice, cute names. Workaholic, Bonfire, Pow Wow, Cast a Spell. Cast a Spell is also duochrome. I have used this on my eyes today as a lid shade. And Hoo Ha. The last row we have is Nectar, Smoke, Coal, Pinot Noir, and Wild Love. Let me swatch this. I will swatch it here so that I don't mix it up with anything. First I am taking Nectar. Oh, the shades are so smooth to touch. Smoke, Coal, I have already swatched that. Pinot Noir and Wild Love. This is Nectar. I hope you can see. Smoke, Coal, Pinot Noir, and Wild Love. Wow. So now that you have seen all the swatches of a 15 shade from this palette, let me tell you guys my final thoughts, because I have even worked with this palette today and I will give you my thoughts how I feel about this. Firstly, let me tell you, the palette is just amazing. One word for it, amazing. I will not deny the fact that this gave me no trouble while creating this eye look. All the shades blended beautifully with each other. It was merging into each other like a dream. There was no demarcation, there was no patchiness. Every shade has its smoothness. Each pan has got the same consistency, same formula. All the shades are pigmented. The result is in front of you. If you want a good investment, a good quality product, then it is here. You can carry it anywhere, in your bag, in your handbag, and you are good to go. You can do some touch-ups here and there. Everything can be done carrying this single palette. So 2400 investing in this palette, I think, is worth of your money, my money, and everyone's money. And I think they have kept this price so that we can invest into a good eyeshadow palette like this. And I am waiting for Tan Beauty to bring more such interesting and quality products from them. I am expecting their next launch. I don't know when it will be, but I'm really excited to see what they have to launch next. So yes guys, by this we come to the end of this video, and I hope I was able to express my thoughts, feelings about this palette with you guys. This is all I need. Eyeshadow palette is just amazing. It is mind blowing. It is fantabulous. कोई भी words कम पड़ जाएगा इसके लिए. But yes, if you like my today's video, then all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share it amongst your friends and family, and also don't forget to press the bell button so that you are notified every single time whenever I upload any new video. And I shall see you soon on my next video. Till then, bye, take care.